If your iPhone makes clicking sounds every time you type, or vibrates constantly, you can turn it off in seconds. And it makes your phone feel much cleaner. Let me show you. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Now tap Keyboard Feedback. You'll see two options, Sound and Haptic. If sound is on, your keyboard clicks every time you type. Turn it off. If haptic is on, your phone vibrates with every key press. Some people like it, but it can drain battery over time. Turn it off if you want a quieter experience. Now go back. Scroll down and turn off lock sound. This removes the click when you lock your phone. Now your iPhone feels quieter, cleaner, and less distracting. No more constant clicking, no more unnecessary vibrations. Simple change, but a big difference. Most people never change this setting, but now you do.